Welcome to a tutorial for how to simulate scrolling text seen at the start of the Star Wars movies. This tutorial is only for owners of Sony Vegas Platinum video editing program. Note: if you own Sony Vegas Pro, then please search for a YouTube tutorial made by Lord SRI called Sony Vegas Pro Star Wars Scrolling Titles Effect. That's because Sony Vegas Pro has 3D features, while Sony Vegas Platinum has no 3D. Now let's start the tutorial just for users of Platinum Vegas. Step 1. The first element is the screen that looks like a long time in a galaxy far away. On a video timeline, we simply create the text box. Right-click on a video part and select Insert Text Media. Type your introductory text, for example, right here, right now, in 20-point size. Select color of text. Add both a fade in and fade out using your mouse. Right-click and drag on the video timeline. You can stretch the duration to about 6 seconds length. Very quickly, let's see it. Step 2. The second video element looks like where we see Star Wars filling the screen, then slowly shrinking into the center. Create another text box as before. Use 72-point font and choose a good font style. Type the name of your video, for example, Star Wars. Select color of text. Now we create the shrinking style of the Star Wars. First, right-click on the text media you just created and pick Video, Event, Pan Crop. Create 2 of these keyframes, one at both the beginning and end of the text box's duration. Use the button with the plus sign to create the new keyframe. Click on the beginning keyframe. For widescreen format, make width 581 and height 297. This will make the text just slightly outside the screen. Now click on the final keyframe. For the final keyframe, make width and height have very large values. On the video timeline, you can stretch the duration to make it about 9 seconds. Very quickly, this is how the video shows up. Third step. The third element is our scrolling text. First, type out the text using a separate text program such as Notepad. Input the text for your text role. In this case, the princess gets a plan for a beer container from the friendly Imperials. Do not make the text all on one line. You want to have short lines of about 34 characters maximum. Push the return key at the end of suitable text points, and do this for the entire text. Also, push the return key at the end of each paragraph's last line. Highlight your text, and press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy the text into the buffer for text. Go back to the Sony Vegas main program. At the bottom left of the Vegas panels, click the Media Generators tab. Then, select Credit Roll and then, scrolling non-transparent, click and drag this box to your video timeline. A new dialog box appears. Delete the boxes for title text, sub-item text, item left, and item right. Right-click on leftmost box. Then delete row. In the box that says Insert Text here, click and paste the text by pressing Ctrl-V. The text you entered into the memory buffer earlier will show up with each line return preserved. Now push the Styles tab and click Center. Select your font size, and text color. Also, enter a value of 0 for space below. Now close the dialog box. The next step is to deform the text using a video effect. At the bottom left of your Sony Vegas panels, click the Video Effects tab. Click Deform, and then Squeeze Top. Drag the Squeeze Top effect on top of your scrolling text on the video timeline. In the dialog box, under Squeeze, make the value for top equal to 1, and the value for bottom equal to -0.36. Close the dialog box. At the end of the scrolling text part on the video timeline, add one fade out quickly. This is how the effect looks. You will notice that the vertical text height remains the same as the text at the screen top, but this is the best available in the Platinum version of Vegas editing program. Here, the scrolling text was set for 1 minute and 9 seconds length. Step number 4. The fourth and final element is our stars on a black background. For example, it can be made with Microsoft Paint. Returning to Sony Vegas, use Import Media, then drag the stars to an empty area underneath the entire length of the scrolling text with a little bit extra on the end. Adding the music track is an option. This music track is 1 minute and 25 seconds in length. Now, render the video using File, then Render. The product made by Sony Vegas Platinum is good enough for amateur videos. Here is the final video.